Hi, let's dive in. First, I bought Hershey's Exotic Dark, acai and blueberry, and Mangum's strawberry sandwich. And I want to try the famous combination beverage, so I bought a banana milk, decaf americano, and of course, an ice cup. Ta-da! Here's what I bought. I poured the americano all the way in and add some banana milk and mix it up. I'm not usually a latte person, but I absolutely love it. This is my favorite drink now. When I open the sandwich, I already can smell the nice scent of strawberry, and also there are some custard and whipped cream. It was really delicious and also refreshing. I found a random sticker of Mangum, the character, and I got this cute little happy one. And the chocolate was also nice. Thanks for watching. Follow for the next one.